In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change language in Godaddy. To begin, open your Godaddy website editor dashboard. This is the area where you manage the design, content, and overall settings for your site. Make sure you are inside the website editor itself, because the language option you need is located within the editor settings rather than the general account dashboard. Once you are in the editor, look over to the right-hand sidebar menu. This panel contains several tools and controls for adjusting how your site looks and functions. In that sidebar, click on the Settings tab. This section is where Godaddy keeps many of the broader site preferences, including options that affect the way your website appears to visitors. After opening Settings, find and click on Site Language. This is the option that controls the default language used for supported text elements across your website. It is especially useful if you are building a site for a different region or if you want your visitors to browse in a language that better matches your audience. When the Site Language menu opens, use the drop-down list to choose your target language. Godaddy supports a wide range of regional languages, so take a moment to scroll through the list carefully and select the one that fits your site best. Be sure to choose the correct language variation if more than one regional version is available, since that can affect spelling, formatting, and certain localized text. After selecting your preferred language, save your changes. Once saved, the system-generated widget text on your website will update instantly to match the language you selected. This can include built-in labels, buttons, and other default interface text that Godaddy controls automatically. Keep in mind that this setting generally changes Godaddy-generated content, but any custom text that you added manually may still need to be translated separately. So if parts of your site do not change after saving, that is usually because those sections were written by you and not generated by the platform. That is all you need to do. Open the website editor dashboard, go to Settings, select Site Language, choose your preferred option from the drop-down, and save the changes. Once that is done, your site will reflect the new language for supported built-in text right away. That covers everything you need to know.